Good afternoon to all. I, Mrs. Ghazala Mulani from Anglo-Urdu Girls High School and Abida Inamdar Junior College for Girls, would like to share with you the success stories about the outstanding achievement of our students, principal and teachers. Our students have consistently demonstrated excellence in various fields. Their hard work and dedication has earned our school and college numerous prizes and laurels at various international and national level examinations like the International Mathematics Olympiad, the Science Olympiad and National Handwriting Competition. But due to the constraint of time, today we would be felicitating the remarkable accomplishment of our students, principal and teachers at the 12th Indian Talent Olympiad. The Indian Talent Olympiad is a national level competition organized for students based on the subjects like English, Maths, Science and Drawing. Around 42,511 schools had registered for the 12th Indian Talent Olympiad and millions of students appeared for the same. 81 students from Anglo-Urdu Girls High School enrolled for the English, Maths, Science and Drawing Olympiad. Among these students, 52 of our students were qualified for the Level 2 round. And one of these students, Ms. Khadija Shahabuddin, demonstrated remarkable excellence by securing the prestigious title of State Topper in the Drawing Olympiad. I request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward and felicitate the winner, Ms. Khadija Shahabuddin, and Mrs. Shabana Sheikh, teacher in charge for drawing subject. I request our principal, Mrs. Roshan Ara Sheikh, assistant HM school and supervisory staff to accompany the teacher and the student. Ms. Khadija Shahabuddin will be felicitated with a gold medal, rupees 12,000 as a cash prize and a certificate. Gold medal, rupees 1,200 as cash prize, state level topper for Drawing Olympiad, Mrs. Shabana Sheikh, teacher in charge. Due to our state topper in Drawing Olympiad, 52 students qualified for the level 2 round and maximum participation of our students at Indian Talent Olympiad. Mrs. Roshan Ara Sheikh, Principal, Anglo-Urdu Girls High School and Abida Inamdar Junior College for Girls has been conferred with the prestigious Best Principal Award at national level by the 12th Indian Talent Olympiad for her unwavering efforts in motivating teachers, inspiring students and creating a dynamic learning environment. You can see the students, the gold medalists of Indian Talent Olympiad and International Mathematics Olympiad lined up with their medals. Roshanara ma'am conferred with the Best Principal Award at national level by 12th Indian Talent Olympiad for her unwavering efforts in motivating teachers, inspiring students, and creating a dynamic learning environment. Maths, Science and English. 2 students secured state level recognition in English and Science. These students received gold, silver and bronze medals respectively. Not only the students but also the teachers were honored with Inspiring Teacher Award. I request the dignitaries to acknowledge the toppers along with the teachers in charge. Ms. Yasmin Sheikh from English Department will be felicitated with the Inspiring Teacher Award. She receives a certificate of merit. Inspiring Teacher Award, Ms. Yasmin Sheikh from English Department. Students have secured state level toppers. Mrs. Nazia Syed from Science Department will be felicitated with the Inspiring Teacher Award. Ms. Yasmin Sheikh from English Department. Ms. Nazia Syed from Science Department. Ms. Nazia Syed from Science Department. 3 toppers from Science secured the gold medal, silver medal and bronze medal. Ms. Nazia Syed from Science Department receives the Inspiring Teacher Award. Inspiring Teacher Award. Science Department students. Now I request Ms. Sana Dalayat from Maths Department to collect the certificates of the student on behalf of Mrs. Bushra Rogankar and also collect the certificate of appreciation for the teacher in charge. Maths Department toppers, 3 toppers. State level 3 toppers, gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal and certificates honored to the students and the teacher felicitated with the Inspiring Teacher Award. Maths Department, 9 students with 2 level toppers. Now it's time for the history. Anglo-Urdu Girls High School and Abida Inamdar Junior College Girls commendable performance and noteworthy vast participation and the outstanding performance of our students in qualifying the level 1 and level 2 exams at the 12th Indian Talent Olympiad, coupled with our principal's well-deserved Best Principal Award and the Best Teachers Award has culminated, and these collective efforts have earned Anglo-Urdu Girls High School and Abida Inamdar Junior College for Girls with the most prestigious Golden School Award. Golden School Award. It stands as a proud moment in the history of our the Golden School Award, the best award for the academic year, which has marked a proud moment in the history of our institute.
मुश्किलें हो कैसी भी मेरे हौसलों से कम है, अंधेरों को चीर देंगे इतना दम है। मुश्किलें हो कैसी भी मेरे हौसलों से कम है, अंधेरों को चीर देंगे इतना दम है। आओ हाथ बढ़ाएं, कुछ करके दिखाना है, सारे बहानों को आज से आग लगाना है। मुट्ठियों को भी